Got a rack one in it.
Me flinching.
Jesus Christ.
Wow.
That is 22 flat.
Wow. That's really cool.
Hit the steel.
I missed.
Missed the steel. Try the steel again.
Let's try steel again. Yeah, it's legit.
That's insanely quiet.
Again.
How long do you think it'll go?
Bad. Cool ricochet. Okay, I think we need another mag then.
I think we need another mag.
Did you hear the whistle on that? Like a bunch of hot air in your hand. That was
insanely
really quiet. That was quiet.
It just got quieter.
That's weird. Yeah, it got. Huh. Yeah, like it's. So we're just at the end of our.
We're going on to mag 3. Point the front end at the. So
now it looks like a
butthole.
Prolapse.
Let's try mag 3.
37.
We're already 30 rounds through this set of wipes and still trucking. Back up. There you go.
Okay.
Step forward.
Oh, my bad. As you train, like as you're shooting it, you just like get a little better with the manual arms of it.
Yeah. It takes a little bit to get used to, but I mean, you're too. I think we blew out the wipes.
One more?
Yeah, try it again. I mean, it didn't ring my ears.
No. That was weird.
But I think we're getting to the end of it. All right, I'd say that we cut the wipes out. So
let's do one more, just for science, I guess. Yeah, I'd say we're about.
Now I'm ringing.
Yeah, now I'm ringing.
How many are left in there?
That was an empty, so we have 2 rounds in that, so that was 13. So that's 43 shots for a set of wipes.
43 shots to start ringing.
43, yeah.
How's the end of that look?
You can kind of see like it's more prolapse than before.
A little more prolapse.
A little more prolapse with more of a hole there now. It's like stretched out a little more.
Not bad. All right.